Hello, and welcome to this OpenForest4D video. My name is Chelsea Scott. In this video, I will show you how to use the OpenForest4D Gateway to generate canopy height models, digital surface models, digital terrain models, as well as derive different forestry metrics. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to OpenForest4D.org. And that will take you to the homepage of OpenForest4D. The next thing you want to do is go to the Gateway portal. So you want to click that. Now I've already logged in. If you have not logged in, you will have an option here to log in using your ORCID account. If you do not have an ORCID account, you can make an ORCID account and then come back and log in. So the next thing you'll want to do is click here on this blue link that says USGS 3D elevation profile forest structure metrics. And that will then take you to this page. And here you see polygons in different colors that represent data available from the USGS 3-depth elevation program. And it's in these areas that you can apply these calculations. So let's pick an area. For example, let's go here to Milwaukee in Wisconsin. And where should we go? Here, we'll go look here at Greenfield Park. Now, when we started, here this select a region button is gray. But then when you zoom in enough to process a particular area, it will turn to blue. And then you can click select a region. And then you have the option to click and drag a rectangle. So we'll do it over there. So here, this area is small enough to be processed. Let's try selecting a big area. I can come back to select a region. And so here, this area is red, and that means that this box is too big. So at most, currently, you can process a job with 20 million points. It's going to be 20 million lidar records. So we'll come back and we'll select a smaller box over Greenfield Park. And so right now we're going to leave the default options. And I'll make a second video looking at these options. So then we can name our processing job. So we'll call this Wisconsin test. And then I'll press submit. So this is now being processed at the San Diego Supercomputer Center. And we can wait for it to be processed. All right, so I just let that run, and it took about 1.5 minutes to complete. And so now we can see the processing results from the job that we started. So you can visualize the canopy height model, the digital surface model, and digital terrain model, all in 3D. And we also have visualizations of the canopy height model, the digital surface model, the digital terrain model, the smoothed version of the canopy height model, and then the normalized lidar height. And we'll have other videos looking at these products in more detail. Thank you for watching.